India has been one of the largest producers of cotton in the world. In India, the organic cotton production has started around 15 years ago. If you grow cotton organically, you are not putting pesticides, which are actually poisonous chemicals, into the air and into the ground and into the groundwater. Cooperative farming is definitely brings a lot of advantages to the farmer. Group of farmers can come together and share resources. From the very start, Chetna started with 150 odd farmers, and now it has over 15,000 farmers. The workers themselves are the farmers and the owners of the land. So he or their family will be working on the field. So we have been supporting by buying their produce, by providing them pre-finance, giving them seeds. They are assured that they have somebody who will buy their cotton.